Have you come across these? Sometimes we create our own heartbreaks through expectations. Someone asked me, "Who hurt you?" I replied, "My own expectations." So, have you come across these quotes or images? So, anywhere in the net, or do you also think about it? So, these thoughts have come across in your mind. Are you getting hurt with expectations, yours and from others? Hi, hello, how are you doing? I'm Nalini Ashwin. Welcome to my channel. Today, in this episode, I'll be sharing with you regarding expectations. Hi, I am Nalini Ashwin, psychologist, internationally certified emotional well-being coach, energy healer, and former engineering college professor. And welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and please listen to this episode till the end. And if you like, then like it and share with others. So, are you getting hurt with expectations of yours and from others? Are you having this habit of having expectations? It can be from you or your own or from others also in relationships or in work environment also. So, to effectively deal with expectations, what you can do? So, are you thinking, oh, how to deal with these expectations? Because expectations hurt. So, it can be from you, your own, and those of others. So, you have to focus on clear communications. Okay, when you are communicating, be clear, have clarity, and set realistic goals and practice self compassion. So, this includes identifying expectations, communicating them openly, and being flexible when things don't go as planned. So, these are some of the pointers, small points you can follow to avoid hurt when you are having the expectations. Let me explain these in detail, and I'll be sharing this. I have divided this in three parts. First one is how to manage your own expectations. Second, how to manage expectations from others or manage expectations of others. And third one, dealing with unrealistic expectations. So, how to manage your own expectations? Be realistic, set achievable goals, and avoid perfectionism. Consider time constraints, resources, and your capabilities. Second, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins and view setbacks as learning opportunities. Third, practice self compassion. Be kind to yourself and understand that mistakes are inevitable. They are natural. It's okay to make mistake. Fourth, identify external factors. Recognize how circumstances, resources, or other people's actions can influence outcomes, the results, and accordingly adjust your expectations. Second part, manage expectations of others. First point is communicate openly. Share your expectations and goals with others, explaining your limitations and desired outcomes. Second, set boundaries. Define what you can and can't do and communicate those limits clearly. Third, be transparent. Be honest about potential challenges or obstacles and work collaboratively to find solutions. Fourth, acknowledge and validate. Acknowledge the expectations of others and validate their feelings, even if you can't meet them. Last, express gratitude. Show appreciation for the efforts of others, which can make them more likely to try and meet your expectations. Third part, dealing with unrealistic expectations. First, identify unrealistic expectations. Recognize when expectations are not reasonable or achievable. Second, address them proactively. Have open and honest conversations about expectations that are causing issues. Third, negotiate, and compromise. Find solutions that work for everyone involved. Fourth, focus on what you can control. Concentrate on your own actions and responses rather than trying to control others' behavior. Fifth, seek support. If you are struggling to manage expectations, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. So, these are some of the pointers, helpful pointers, which can really benefit in understanding expectations. And hopefully, it will help you to avoid hurting or just to be careful enough while dealing with the expectations. I hope this helped. These points I shared with you today in this episode helped you. So, if so, please like this episode and also share with others. And also, are you how do you deal with the expectations? Do you have any other methods or any other ideas or any other insights about how to deal with expectations? So please share in the comments. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in next episode. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.